With the glorious name of Allah, I begin. Lesson 2, Glory and Hope. Nelson Mandela is still in progress. Dear students, Nelson Mandela was made the first president of South Africa. He was also the first black president of his country. He fought against apartheid, a system where non-white were segregated from white. He delivered the speech, Glory and Hope, to convince people to fight for equal rights. Moving forward to the text section. Today we will read this paragraph. We trust that you will continue to stand by. Stand by means support us as we tackle mean face to deal with the challenges of building peace, prosperity, non-sexism, non-rationalism. Non-sexism means no gender discrimination. Non-racialism means no racial discrimination. And democracy. We deeply appreciate the role that the masses mean common people, upper people, and their democratic, religious, women, youth, business, traditional, and other leaders have played to bring about this conclusion. Not least among them, not least means particularly or in particular, is my second deputy president, the Honorable Frederick William de Klerk, who was F.W. de Klerk. F.W. de Klerk was South African politician who served as the country's state president from September 1989 to May 1994. He was the seventh and last head of state of South Africa under the apartheid era. We would also like to pay tribute. Tribute means pay homage to our security forces in all their ranks for the distinguished role they have played in securing the first democratic elections and the transition to democracy from bloodthirsty forces which still refuse to see the light. In this paragraph, he pays homage to the security forces who worked a lot for bringing democracy. The time for the healing of the wounds has come. The moment to wounds, injuries. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. Emancipation means liberation. We pledge mean promise ourselves to liberate all other our people from the continuing bondage. Bondage mean chains, chains. Poverty, deprivation. Deprivation mean dispossession, suffering, gender and other discrimination. We succeeded to take our last steps up to freedom in conditions of relative peace. We commit ourselves. Commit means dedicate ourselves to the construction of a complete, just, and lasting peace. We have triumphed means succeeded in the effort to implant. Implant means to grow hope in the breasts of the millions of our people. We enter into a covenant. Covenant means agreement that we shall build the society in which all South Africans, both black and white, will be able to walk tall. Dear students, walk or stand tall is a phrase which means be proud and confident. For example, stop wishing that you were somehow different. Start to walk tall. Here is another phrase, idiom, tall talks, which means one should not indulge in tall talks. It means boasting. There is another phrase, small talks or small talk means light conversation. For example, while they continued their small talks, I felt bored. Without any fear in their hearts, assured of their inalienable rights. Inalienable means which cannot be transferred to another person, or unalienable to human dignity. A rainbow nation is an epithet. What is an epithet? EPITHET. It means a nickname, a descriptive term that's added to someone's name that becomes part of common usage. For example, in the name Alexander the Great is an epithet. Here, a rainbow nation is an epithet, means a multiracial nation at peace with itself and the world. As a token of its commitment to the renewal of our country, renewal means revival. The new in term mean temporary, provisional. Government of national unity will, as a matter of urgency, without any delay. As a matter of urgency means without any delay, address the issue of amnesty. Amnesty means pardon. Dear students, there is a question for you. What's Amnesty International? For various categories of our people who are currently serving terms of imprisonment. Dear students, Nelson Mandela requests the international guests to stand by South Africa to face the challenges of peace, prosperity, non-sexism, etc. In the next paragraph, he appreciates the role of the people, the role of second Deputy President Frederick William de Klerk. He also pays tribute to the security forces who worked a lot and sacrificed their lives for a peaceful transition to democracy. He also talked of healing wounds, bridging the chasms of racial discrimination. He pledged that the new government would continue the process of emancipation by liberating all the people from the long lasting oppression of poverty, deprivation, gender, and other discriminations. This is all for today. Thank you and have a blessed day.